Hey, so guys, Michael J. I'm going to teach you my new vending machine takes money, right? So I got this new peso, what do I call it? Anyways, so I'm going to put it here. Hold on, right. So I'm gonna put my. Hold on. Wait. Guess I have to flick it. Right. Just so tiny. Right. Alright, I have to push it in. And you see that this thing pops out. Well, I pull it and see what will happen. See? So it came out. So it's a soda machine that takes money. And that's it. Bye guys.